Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so that every time I post, you'll be notified. You guys, I am so excited to do this unboxing video because for those of you who don't know me, I love the color pink. And yes, I used to be a Barbie girl, and this whole new Barbie movie is taking me back. So you guys, I got the new Barbie sandal from Aldo. So oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, just enjoy the video. Ooh, it's just the packaging for me. Wait until I take them out this bag. Just wait.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. To go out for the risotto, nothing to discuss. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the guys out. My mind is you the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that care both. Like the Baba Frayo. Don't cry, yo. Ani bigo ashayo. Ani bigo ashayo. Ani bigo ashayo. Ani bigo ashayo. Shayo. Ani bigo ashayo. Ani bigo ashayo. Ani bigo ashayo. Chayo. I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings to this swing like Django Lover. Feelings to this swing like Timbani get you. I'm a white dog in the Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, Timbani get you. I'm a white dog in the Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The long cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My ayo, don't cry yo. Ani bigo ashayo, 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 ani bigo ashayo.
Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Look at the detail. Oh yeah, I'm wearing these to the Barbie movie release date because y'all, look at the hell. Look. Oh my god. They look like they run small. Wow. Get a little picture right there. This is beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Barbie loves Aldo. Love how the cushion. Ooh, it looks soft too. Oh my god. Okay, let's put these on. Look at that. Look at her. This is beautiful. Look at the little detail on it. Oh my gosh, on the strap. Look at that. I don't know if you guys could see that, but look. I'll try to get it for you. It's a little B for Barbie. I'm all about details, and this right here this is it. Like, and I also just got the new ballerina pink Telfar bag, so this might look cute with that. Let's see. So, let's take it out the bag, the package. Love this heel. Can we get into this heel? This is an 8.5. It looks like it's gonna fit. This is the last size left before it sold out, so I'm hoping that it fits. And I'm sorry if you guys hear that in the back. It is the AC. Okay, my feet are not done, so I'm gonna put out my toes. Yeah, it's good that I got 8.5. They don't run true to size. I did get a size up. Y'all see how gorgeous. Goodness, it's so beautiful. Get into the detail. Just trying to get this for y'all.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big to you. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jolly. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm an artist. If the world was dead, would you find or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. And you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again. With your deaf, yeah, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm going, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out there, yeah. Oh, you don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and you feel this. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes and we speak tunes and really. Right now from the side now come my name. Fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Guys, so as for my honest review, I really think these are worth it. And y'all, they do run a little small, so I'm happy I did get an 8.5 instead of an 8. I typically would wear an 8 in women's shoes. So yeah, I'm taking a good look at it again. This is just the detail for me. Like, look at the little B. Look at the little B. Look at it. The heel, just, the holographic, the sole, just everything. 10 out of 10. Y'all saw me walking in there a million times. So yes, pricey but worth it. And yes, I can't wait to see the Barbie movie. See you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.